So, guys, I told you guys that we will be anticipating for a bullish move next on our AUD US dollar. So we will be anticipating that bullish move. Why are we anticipating that movement? First, we are going to cover it. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe, please, you are new and you have not yet subscribed. So all you just need to do now is click on that subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel in order for you not to miss out on any updates. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel in order for you not to miss out on any updates. Now, on this movement, on this our odd USD, it is very clear that we are anticipating for a buy, right? We are anticipating for a bullish move. Now, take a look at it on your daily time frame right here. So if you take a look at the trend on our odd US dollar, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is giving us that bullish move. So this is the high that odd USD give us. Then here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here is an equal higher low. So this is the equal higher low odd USD give us. Then we got this a new higher high which took out this previous high, right? Then here comes the higher low. Odd USD eventually push up again and to form a new higher high which took out this previous high, right? And here is our higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, we should be expecting markets to push up again. See, it is able to form a new higher high. So this is one of the reasons why I said a bullish move is what we will be anticipating for next on our odd USD. So we should expect your odd USD to give us a bullish move for the day, and it should take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high for us. So whatever you would want to be doing on your odd USD, you would want to be going down. So now on our 4-hour time frame, which we've gone to our 4-hour time frame, you can see a multiple rejection at this zone, which you can call as your demand zone, right? So markets rejected from here, you saw it bounce up. Markets came back again, rejected from it, and you saw it bounce up, right? Markets eventually dropped. You saw it rejected from this level, and guess what? It bounced up, right? Market has now come back again to retest for it, which made it bounce, right? Market was able to drop again to retest this level, and now we should be expecting to bounce up on this level. So we should be expecting a rejection from this zone. So our next movement on all USD, another bullish move that should push up. So if there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comment.